Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to start a chat on the Microsoft Teams mobile app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Teams app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and can see your main dashboard, you'll be ready to start a conversation with anyone in your organization or contacts list. Next, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on Chat. This icon is located at the bottom left and takes you to your Conversations hub where you can view all your existing chats and start new ones. Tapping this opens up your chat interface where all your messaging happens. Now on the chat screen, you'll notice a purple icon in the bottom right corner. Go ahead and tap on this icon. This button is specifically designed to initiate new conversations, and it's your gateway to starting fresh chats with colleagues, team members, or anyone else you need to connect with. After tapping the purple icon, you'll see a search bar appear at the top of the screen. Tap on this search bar and enter the person's name, phone number, or email address. The search function is quite smart and will start suggesting contacts as you type, making it easy to find exactly who you're looking for without having to scroll through long contact lists. Once you start typing, Microsoft Teams will display suggested contacts below the search bar. Look through the suggestions and tap on the person you want to chat with from the list. Selecting the right person ensures your message reaches the intended recipient and starts a direct conversation thread with them. After selecting your contact, tap Next in the upper right corner of the screen. This confirms your contact selection and prepares the chat window where you'll compose your actual message. It's a quick confirmation step that takes you to the messaging interface. Now you'll see a text field at the bottom of the screen. Tap on this text field and type your message. This is where you compose whatever you want to communicate, whether it's a quick question, project update, or just a friendly check-in with your colleague. Finally, once you've finished typing your message, tap the Send button located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Your message will be delivered instantly to the person you selected, and you've now successfully started a chat conversation on Microsoft Teams Mobile. And that's it. You've started a new chat on the Microsoft Teams mobile app and can now communicate seamlessly with your contacts. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.